Alright, so in today's tutorials, we are going to look at decimals, that is approximations, so to be precise, decimals. And before we start, if this is your first time, just do this thing: subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, all right, so let's move on. Okay, so 8.45698. Okay, so decimals starts right from the point. So this is the point. So the first number here is seen as 1 decimal place. Okay, the next number is 2 decimal places in that order. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6 in that order. All right, so if you're asked to round this number here to, let's say, 1 decimal place, so let me write it again: 8.4569778. So if you ask to round this number to, let's say, 1 decimal place, okay, so we start from the point. So this is the point. So this is 1 decimal place. So just focus on this 1 decimal place. Okay, and look at the next number. So we have a rule here. So if the next number is less than 5, we just ignore everything here. Okay, and write the answer as 8.4. But if the next number here is 5 or more, we just add 1 to our answer here. So this one will be +1. Okay, so which will be 8.5. So in 1 decimal place is 8.5. Okay, so let's look at 2 decimal places. So we have 1, 2, so 4, 5. So the next number is 6. So we have 8.4. So since the next number is 6, we add 1 to this, making 6. So in 2 decimal places. All right. So let's look at 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. And the next number is what? 9. So I'll just add 1 to this, making 8.457. All right, in that order. So let's try the following. So round the following. Let's see: 3.12478 to 8. So to 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places, then 4 decimal places. All right, so let's look at them one by one. So with the 1 decimal place, look at the point. This is the point. Okay, this is 1 decimal place. So we have 3 point. Now the next number is less than 5, so I will ignore that. So 3.1. 2 decimal places, 1, 2. Okay, so the next number is 4, so this one will be 3.12. Now 4 decimal places has to do with 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number is more than 5, so I'll add 1 to this, 7, making 8. So we have 3.1248. All right, so pause the video and do this exercise. So round this number 2.47865 to two decimal places, three decimal places, and then the last one, one decimal place. Okay, so you can write the answer under the comment section below. All right, so two decimal places, to three decimal places, and to one decimal place. All right, so the next example has to do with this, so let's pay attention here. It's very important. 999. This is very serious. Okay, so let's round this number to one decimal place. Now pay attention here. So to one decimal place, so I'll start from the point. Okay, so this is one decimal place, but the next number is 9. So somebody will say 999 point. Now since this one is 9 and this is more than 5, you add 1 to this, so somebody will say 10. So this one is wrong. Okay, don't do that. All right, now this one is behaving like two decimal places, so this one is not one decimal place, so don't do this. Okay, let's look at the right answer. Okay, so we have one decimal place here. The next number is 9, so we are going to add 1 to this, so just write everything. So 999.9, so let's add 1, so plus 1. Okay, 9 plus 1 is what? 10, so 0 1. Okay, so I'll add 1 to this 9, 10, 0 1, add 1 to this 0 1, add 1 to this, so 12 10. Okay, so to one decimal place will be this, that is 1000.0. so right from the point is 10, so that is one decimal place, so this is correct. Okay, now let's look at two decimal places. So let me do it here. So 1 2, and the next number, that is the third one, is 9, so I will do same. This one will be 999 point, so 99, so add 1, so plus 1, so 9 plus 1 is 0, so remember 1, add this to this, 10 0 point, add to this 0, add to this 0, add to this, so 10. Okay, so look at the trend. So one decimal place, we have only 1 0 here, so two decimal places, we have 2 0, so this, the two decimal places will be 1 2 3 point, so two decimal places, one decimal place. All right, so let's look at the three decimal places, if you can try that. So three decimal places, so stand here. So once we add 1 to this one will be 10, so you write 0, remember 1, add to this 0, remember 1, add to this 0, you have 3 zeros, then keep on adding, so 0 0 0 1. Okay, so you can try that. Now let's look at to four decimal places. Now to four decimal places will be, so 1 2 3 4, so 999 point, so 1 2 3 4. The next number, that is the fifth one, will be more than 5, that is 9, so I'll add 1 to this, making 0 0 0 0, so this one will be 99. So the four decimal place, 1 2 3 4, so plus 1. Okay, So we have 0, because this one will be 10. 0 under 1, 0 under 1, 0 under 1, 0. Okay. Point. So 0, 0. I'll add 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So 0, 0, 0. 9 plus 1. We have 0, 0, 10. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this one is 4 decimal places. All right. So let's move on. So 5.49987 I, 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places. All right, so let's look at the solution. So 1 decimal place, so this is the point. Look at the point. So this is 1 decimal place, and the next number is more than 5. So I'll add 1 to this, making 5.5. That is to 1 decimal place. All right. So the next one has to do with 2 decimal places. So there's a point. So 1, 2. So I'll add 1 to this. So this one will be, let me do it here. Now 5.49. But the next number is 9. So I'll add 1 to this. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 and 1. Add to this 5. So we have 5.50. 5.50. All right. So let's look at 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. So add 1. So this one will be 10. 0, 0, 5. So we have 5.500. That is to 3 decimal places. All right. Now note something here. So 1 decimal place is the same as nearest tenth. So this is the same as tenth. 2 decimal places the same as nearest hundredth. So hundredth. So we add th, then the 3 will be, okay, so 1,000. So that add th. Now don't forget this. Note very well. So that is where we'll continue the lesson from. So tenth is not the same as tenths, okay? So in case you are asked to round a number to nearest tenths, it's not the same as nearest tenth. So be very careful here. So once you are asked to find the nearest tenth, it's the same as 1 decimal place. 100, 2 decimal places in that order. All right, so thanks for watching. In our next lesson, we are going to look at how to add decimals, how to find or round numbers to the nearest tenth, 100, and what have you. All right, so thanks for watching.